What is up, you guys? Jose here. In today's video, I'm gonna be going to a shop so they can install some ceramic tint into my truck, and with the use of an infrared laser thermometer, I'm gonna be comparing the internal temperature of my truck that has ceramic tint versus my car that doesn't have ceramic tint. And so to even comparison, I tinted all windows 5% tint, with the front windshield being 35% tint. And later in the video, you're gonna find out why I think ceramic tint is actually a scam. But more on that later. As for now, let's go get some tint. So this is outside view. This is factory tint. Can't take it off. Fishbowl. Fishbowl. You guys could literally see me. And I'm getting ceramic tint, so let's see if it actually makes a heat difference, because it was getting hot in here. So now I have 5% on the outside windows and 35% on the front. So before you were able to see me through here. Now this is me sitting fully back, hand on the wheel, and just touching the window now. So this is what it looks like. It's 12 p.m. on a sunny day on a Saturday. It looks super clear in here. One thing I noticed right off the bat is my truck gets more cooler with my AC settings on low. And then the sun's not beaming through. I was getting a suntan just by driving around. Now I'm gonna let them sit for 30 minutes to an hour. And then we'll go back inside and test the temperature from inside my car to inside my truck. Show that it's working. 3 and 100. My windows. 104. 121. Let's read the windows. 109. 114. And now let's test the inside of a truck. Not even gonna lie, I feel like it's way hotter in here. Is it because I have leather seats? Dang! If anything, it's trapping it in here. Did I just get scammed? Looks good. I'm gonna go back to my car. It might be because of my interior. Because leather, I'm pretty sure absorbs more than fabric. This is regular tint. And that's why I think ceramic tint was a scam. After doing some research, I found out that interior material makes all the difference as well. Because I have leather seats, they're one of the top of fabrics that get really absorb heat. So I guess that's why the temperatures were showing so high. So I think the next move will be to change all the interior to a fabric that doesn't absorb that much heat. But yeah guys, I think the tint came out good. The privacy part is really good. I got 5% all around. You can't see me at all. But I can't see you guys. So this is 5% all around, and this is 35%. Also another thing, right now it's 107, but I don't feel it, and I have my air off. So I don't really think ceramic tint is a scam. It's doing its job. I still have a lot of projects to do with this truck, so make sure to subscribe and like this video if you actually enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.